Welcome to the National General Lead Portal. Our platform allows you to leverage your relationship with National General to buy quality leads from top vendors in the industry. NatGen Leads has lead options for every agent. Whether you're an independent agent working from home or a sizable call center, we can help you connect with the clients associated with your vertical. This short tutorial will get you up and running with ease. We'll cover how to register for an account and log into your new account. This tutorial will demonstrate how easy it is to navigate through the site and settings. The account settings in NatGen Leads are key to high performance. With our user-friendly interface and a few clicks, leads will be at your fingertips. When you first go to NatGen Leads portal, locate and click on the Register button in the upper right corner. Fill in the field on the register screen. This includes username, email address, password, and display name. Click on the Register button. Once you've registered for your account, please allow up to 24 hours for your registration to be approved by the site administrator. Once you receive notification via email that your account has been approved, you can then log in on the NatGen Lead main home page. Welcome to the NatGen Lead administration page. Here's a look you will quickly get familiar with. This page includes links to fund your account, manage lead settings, reporting features, and a quick link to access tutorials. Across the top menu bar are tabs for administration, tutorials, contact us, and the magnifying glass to search the site. Starting on the left, the first icon will open the page Fund Your Account. This opens the form used to process your credit card payment to purchase leads. To purchase leads, you must have an available account balance. The confirmation can be emailed to any email address entered. All fields on Fund Your Account page are required, which includes your billing and payment information. Payment amounts can be selected from the list of predetermined amounts at the bottom of the page. Accepted forms of payment include Visa, MasterCard, Discovered, American Express, and JCB International. A receipt of the transaction will be emailed to the address entered on the credit card processing form, but you will not see a confirmation of payment in the portal. Once you've submitted your payment, you will be automatically redirected to the administration homepage. At any time, you can return to the administration page by clicking the Administration tab located on the top menu bar. You can also hover over the Administration tab and it will drop down a menu for quick access to all account options. The icon to the right of Fund Your Account will take you to your account settings. Click on Manage Your Leads to access your account settings and filters. Starting on the top left, there is an account status that can be toggled on and off. To the direct right is your current account balance. Under the Account Status button on the left side are navigation tabs, which include all lead types available to purchase. Each tab has its own setting for filtering options. Directly below the Navigation tab is a field for transfer number you would like your calls to be routed to. Moving to the right is the Maximum Call Concurrency. This slider can be adjusted to meet your preference. The slider is used to determine how many calls you can accept simultaneously. Moving down are the Health Call Filters. This first section is Sources, which allows you to enable the sources you would like to receive leads from. Next is the Geo Selection, which allows you to select which states you wish to receive leads for. Please note on the City selection, it is not available for health calls. Make your selection from the drop-down boxes and click on the blue plus button to add your selections. The box on the right side allows you to enable geos, which include the ability to select and remove any state needed. Below the Geo Selection is the Lead Delivery tab. This allows you to select your hours of operation for the days you would like to receive leads. Start and end times must be selected for each day. Don't forget to select your time zone at the bottom of the tab. Click the Save button below the Lead Delivery to save your hours of operation. The last selection, titled Lead Flow, holds the settings for the hourly lead cap and daily lead cap. You must set the lead cap for how many leads you would like to receive per hour and total cap for each day to receive leads. Click the Save button below Lead Flow and save your hours and daily lead caps. Returning to the home page by clicking Administration button, the next icon will take you to the tutorial page. Returning to the home page, the last icon is Reporting, which will open to display the Summary Activity Report. Account status and balance are displayed at the top, which also shows the email associated with your account. The calendar is used to select the start and end date for the report. You can view the report or download the report as a CSV by clicking the buttons above the calendar after selecting the dates. If you have any questions or wish to request information, on the menu bar there is a contact button. Click the Contact Us and a form opens. Fill out the form and select Send Be Contacted by an Account Rep. Thank you for choosing National General Leads.